Hey guys, welcome. This is Sinisha from XOAP, and today I'm going to talk about image management. So let's go. Alright, so I'm now in the image management overview, and everybody who runs multiple platforms, whether it's Azure, AWS, on-premises environments, knows the hassle of having to adjust the image management pipeline and the process how to build those images for every specific platform, because everybody does it different. What did we do? We made the process very simple for you through the usage of a GUI. And what you can see here is a little overview of the images that were created. You can see some module statistics, and I'm going very fast through the different areas in the front end just to give you an impression of how that looks like. And I will make a deep dive video later on. That's just for the beginning. So what do you do here? Basically, if you have scripts that you already created, installers, resource files, license files, you can upload them here into your library, give them a description, tags, for the further usage inside the image management process. The second step is to assign scripts or to add different functionalities for your image management process. So this could be PowerShell commands, inline commands, PowerShell scripts, Linux-based stuff, Windows updates, and in combination with configuration management and application management, you could also assign configs and applications and groups and roles during the image management process. When you've done this, the next step is to create groups out of those functions that you created. So you could have like prerequisite groups or monitoring groups that you always need, and then assign those groups to different roles. So as you can see here, this could be Azure Virtual Desktops, Citrix VDAs, specific server systems. So we are very open in this. To be very dynamic in the way how to build your images. The next thing is, and we prepared here a lot that you can already use, is like a filter on the available images that you have in your cloud providers, for example. So you can filter for Windows 10 Enterprise Multi-Session with a specific version, for example, and a specific language. That's like your starting library from where you build on your images. The next thing you have to do, you have to create a builder configuration. So that's basically the region, the VM size that you are using to spin up new images, to build your image. That's a temporary VM that you're using. When the image is done, then this machine is deprovisioned again. So that's just something for the build process. And the last step is basically to get all of those things that you configured here together. So it's very simple. You can just give it a name for this image. So demo Windows Server 2022, for example. Give it a description. I could use a base image that I already created to build on top. In this case, I won't do that. Then you choose your operating system. Basically, would make sense to then also use like the Azure Windows Server machine that I already gave the name here. I choose a provider. This could be, in this case, Azure, Azure Managed, Gallery, or AWS. I'll do that on Azure Managed. Then I choose a builder. In this case, in my Microsoft Partner Network, a subscription in Ireland with a B4 MS machine. And the last step is to choose a role that I configured here earlier. Just click on Save. Then I have this machine here, and the only thing I have to do now is click on Run, and my machine will be provisioned and the image will be available depending on how much applications and configs I assign to it. But basically, that's the very simple process. So I hope you like it. If you have questions, get in touch with us. Follow us on Twitter, YouTube, and see you soon. Bye-bye.